Hey folks, happy birthday to me. I'm about to do an unboxing and assembly of a Vevor, yeah, that's the brand name, Vevor Raised Bed. Now it's not a huge raised bed. It's 6 feet by 2 feet by, I think, 1 feet. Main reason they got it is because I want to plant my carrots, maybe onions, beets, things like that in this raised bed. I think it's just going to make my plantings of those crops just more productive. So let's get to it. Okay, let's hope all the parts are here. Let's hope the directions are. Reasonable. But you kind of have to want to be careful with these things because this is a little sharp. This part here, as you can tell, is probably the top end and the back end. Looked like they want to make sure these were in pristine conditions when they shipped them out because they actually have a layer of plastic over each one. But before I do that, kind of want to make sure that I can, all the parts are here. I'm guessing there's a parts list in here somewhere. Ah, yes. Instructions. Not complicated. I don't know if you can see this, but parts list with diagrams / instructions. That's enough. Well, look at this. I guess I should have read what else was included. This looks like, well, I'm not sure. This is either what's going to go on bottom. Yeah, this is what's going to go on bottom of it to help prevent the weeds from coming through. Nuts and bolts. And the tiniest little toolkit. Look at that. Okay. It may come to some use. Maybe I let my grandson have it. But more importantly, little markers for your plants. I love these things. And a glove? Yeah, that's gonna fit. Guess it's gonna stretch over, okay. I think only, oh, here's the other one. They actually fit, which is surprising because I have giant sized hands. Well, look at that. Usually when I buy gloves, I have to go with the double X, and even sometimes those don't really fit right. Gloves, okay. Safety first, I guess. Not sure. Oh, I think this is the bracket that goes across the center. And of course, you got the sides. I like that. So I'll tell you what, this is gonna take a while, and I don't want to run out of data. So let me cut the camera off and I'll be right back. And that's it pretty much for assembly. I do have these extras, and honestly, when I purchase a product that has to be assembled with nuts and bolts, I appreciate if they put me some extras in there, because if I lose one or two, kind of screwed, literally or figuratively, whichever. Yes, the dog's out. They're hanging out back there. You might hear them a little bit, but they've been fairly and really quiet when I'm doing a video. So that's it. Now, of course, I need to move it over here because I'm not leaving it right here in the middle. Although I guess I could. But no, because I'm going to have a row of brassicas here, either cabbage, collard greens, broccoli, whatever. These are going to the side. Okay, this is the area where I'm going to be putting it in, and I did measure. It's actually 6 feet by 3 feet. I forgot what I ordered. Anyway, yeah, so it's bigger than I expected it to be, but it's perfect, absolutely perfect. So I put that black tarp underneath on bottom, and for filling it up, first couple inches, I'm just going to use grass clippings. Different people use different things. I had this, so that's what I'm using. These are lightweight. They break down quickly. No pesticides or weed killer was used on it. Now, that might seem like a thick layer, but once I cover it up, it's going to mat down and break down pretty quick. If you have raised beds, what would you put in it? Or what did you put in it? Next up is just some plain old soil. Didn't buy anything really expensive. In fact, I didn't buy anything specifically for this bed anyway. I've had these bags laying around all summer because I didn't need them. So before I finish up, please, since you stayed this long, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and hit that subscribe button. That will be here next time I'm doing some stuff in the garden. Now let's get back to the video. Next is some soil. That was mostly raised bed garden soil. Nice, loose, plenty of stuff in it. Okay, well, there you go. Filled up. I could add another couple inches of soil in there. I might add some, get a bag of organic garden soil, fill it up closer to the top. And of course, then I'm going to add some fertilizer. I'm probably going to use, and of course, I'm going to add some chicken manure and whatever else I need for the what I'm going to be planting in here, which I will be planting something out here later today. Well, I've heard a lot about the Vevor raised beds, and honestly, this thing is made fantastic. So if you get a chance, if you think about doing a raised bed, I would consider something like this. And like I said, I'll put the link in the bottom of the video. And today, like always, let's get out there and get a little dirty, even on your birthday.